Before buying a Minnie Mouse chair, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Zach Designs Disney Minnie Mouse Cups. Let's kick things off with the Zach Designs Disney Minnie Mouse Kelso Toddler Cups. Priced at $13.99, these colorful cups caught my eye immediately because they combine fun with practicality. If you want to make hydration enjoyable for your little one, this is worth a serious look. These tumblers are made from durable plastic and come with soft silicone straws. They hold 15 ounces, which is perfect for little hands, and they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The leak-proof design is a game changer for on-the-go use. You won't have to worry about spills in the car or on your couch. Over 4,000 of these have been bought recently, which shows just how popular they are. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Keeping kids hydrated can be a struggle, but these fun cups make it easier and more enjoyable. Now, some people complained about them being a bit too small once kids grow. Here's the thing though, they're designed for toddlers transitioning from sippy cups, so they're perfect for that stage. But if your child is already older, you might want to look for something larger. This is perfect for you if your child loves Minnie Mouse and needs a fun way to drink. Skip this one if you're looking for something that will last through the teen years. Now, if the size issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bright Starts Minnie Mouse Potty. The Bright Starts Disney Junior Minnie Mouse My Size Potty Training Toilet, priced at $29.99. This potty chair is not just cute, it's designed to make potty training fun and exciting for your little one. If you want a potty training solution that keeps your toddler engaged, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this potty is its 2-in-1 system. You start with the potty chair that looks just like a real toilet, and then you can transition to an adult toilet with the removable seat. It even makes flushing sounds and plays cheerful tunes when your child uses it correctly, which encourages them to keep trying. Plus, it comes with stickers to personalize their potty, adding an extra layer of excitement. With over 4,000 units purchased recently, clearly parents are trusting this product. Here's why this matters for you. Potty training can be a daunting task, but this fun design and features make it a lot easier. Now, some parents mention that the sounds can be a bit loud. Here's the thing, while that may be true, it also adds to the excitement for many kids. However, if you prefer a quieter option, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you want to make potty training a fun experience. Skip this one if you're looking for a silent and simple potty option. It's well priced for the value you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for a compact potty training solution.
Product number 3, Bright Starts Flip and Sit Seat. The Bright Starts Disney Baby Minnie Mouse Flip and Sit Potty Training Seat. While I couldn't find a price listed, it's a really smart choice for parents looking to save space. If you want a potty training solution that's easy to store and use, this is worth a serious look. This training seat attaches to your regular toilet, making it super convenient for both kids and adults. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. It flips up easily when adults need to use the toilet, which is a huge plus. Plus, it's designed to fit most toilets, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting your bathroom. The anti-slip grips help keep it stable, which is great for your child's confidence. This one's been bought over 3,000 times recently, highlighting its popularity. Here's why this matters for you. It helps kids feel secure while making potty training less of a hassle for parents. Now, some users reported that it can be a bit tricky to clean. Here's the thing. While that's a valid point, many parents find that the convenience of using it on a regular toilet far outweighs this issue. This is perfect for you if you're short on bathroom space but need a training seat. Skip this one if you need a dedicated potty chair for your little one. It's a sensible investment for the ease it brings. Now, if the cleaning issue is a deal breaker, the next product might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 4, Minnie Mouse Rotary Phone Toy. The list is the Disney Junior Minnie Mouse Ring Me Rotary Style Phone, priced at $11.99. This isn't just a toy, it's a nostalgic piece that lets kids engage in imaginative play. If you want to encourage storytelling and conversation in your child, this is worth a serious look. This rotary phone features a retro design that kids love, complete with lights and sound effects that make it feel real. Pressing the buttons activates fun phone sounds, and it encourages imagination and role-playing, which are so important for kids' development.
It's only 6.25 inches tall and has already been bought over 1,000 times in the past month. Here's why this matters. Engaging in pretend play helps develop communication skills, and this phone makes it fun. Now, some parents mention that it can get old quickly for older kids. Here's the thing though, it's aimed at younger kids, typically ages 3 and up, so it's perfect for that age group. If you're looking for something that will grow with them, this might not be the best pick. This is perfect for you if your child loves Minnie Mouse and enjoys imaginative play. Skip this one if your child is already beyond that age. It's a great value for the fun it brings to playtime. Alright, that was a fun choice, but the last option on my list is all about comfort and versatility.
Product number 5, Blissful Diary Kids Couch. We have the Blissful Diary Kids Couch, priced at $39.99. This isn't just any couch, it's a comfy kids sofa that doubles as a play space. If you want a piece of furniture that serves multiple purposes for your child, this is worth a serious look. This couch converts into a wider seat, making it perfect for reading, playing, or just lounging around. It's made from high-density foam, providing firm yet soft seating that kids love. The removable teddy fleece cover is machine washable, which makes maintenance super easy. The unique seashell design is not only cute, but also adds a fun aesthetic to any playroom. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a hit. Here's why this matters for you. It's a stylish addition that enhances your child's space while being functional. Now, some users found it a bit smaller than expected. Here's the thing. While it's designed for kids, it's super cozy and can still accommodate them comfortably as they grow. If you need something larger for older kids, this might not fit the bill. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional piece of furniture for your child's space. Skip this if you're looking for a large sofa. It's a good value that combines comfort and design beautifully.
So there you have it. We explored 5 fantastic Minnie Mouse chairs and accessories that cater to different needs. From fun cups to practical potty solutions and even a cozy couch. There's something for every little fan of Minnie Mouse. Whether you're after functionality or just want to add a little magic to playtime, hopefully this helps you make a great choice.